Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 3 power x multiplied by 3 power x multiplied by 3 power x equals 72. So from here, we are going to find x, then we consider the solutions. So this follows when we have a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So this equals a raised to power of 3. That is, we have 3 raised to power x raised to power of 3 equals 72. Then here is 3 power x raised to power 3. So we consider it as 3 raised to power of x multiplied by 3, that is 3x, equals 72. Then let's introduce log on both sides. We have log 3 raised to power 3x equals log 72. And from here, suppose we have log p raised to power n. This equals n log p. So we apply this rule into here. Then this becomes 3x multiplied by log 3 equals log 72. Then we divide both sides by log 3 from here. By dividing both sides by log 3, so we have log 3 cancelled log 3. Then, so here becomes 3x equals log 72 divided by log 3. Then from here, you can see that, let's say we have 72 equals 36 multiplied by 2. Then we have to replace it. By replacement, we have 3x equals log 36 multiplied by 2 divided by log 3. And from here, we can see that we have log 36 multiplied by 2. So suppose we have log p multiplied by q. So this equals log p plus log q. So let's try to replace it. When we replace it, we apply it here as we have 3x equals log 36 plus log 2 divided by log 3. And then let's divide it. We have 3x equals, by separation, we have log 36 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. And from here, we have 36 here. 36 is 6 raised to power of 2. That is 36. So into here we have 3x equals log 6 power 2 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. And next we have, so here is what we have. Then in the next step, we know that if this is 3x equals 2 multiplied by log, we call this one 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. And so by applying the rule above, here is 3 times 2, which we can separate. So we have this as 3x equals 2 multiplied by, so here becomes log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. So and here is plus log 2 divided by log 3. So next we have 3x equals, so 3x equals, we have to separate this and we open this with 2. So we have this as 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 3. So and here is plus log 2 divided by log 3. So log 3 cancelled log 3, and here we have 3x equals 2 plus, so we have this as 2 multiplied by log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. And suppose we have log of a divided by log b. So this equals log a base b, and we apply it in these two above, so that we have 3x equals 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 2 base 3. And then we have 2 log 2 base 3 plus 2 log 2 base 3, so that gives us 3 log 2 base 3. So we have this as 3x equals 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3. And then let's divide both sides by 3. So by dividing both sides by 3, we have 3 cancel 3 here. Then here becomes x equals 2 over 3 plus, so 3 cancel 3, and here is log 2 base 3. So here is the final answer to this problem, as x equals 2 over 3 plus log 2 base 3. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.